Here's how to make that special stuffing we use in our gator, the Boudin cream cheese mix. To make our Boudin stuffing, you need 3 links of Boudin, and you're going to take the casing off that Boudin. Add you 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese to that awesome stuffing mix. Yum, cream cheese, y'all. Everything's better with bacon. Add you about a pack of cooked bacon and chop it up once you cook it. Put it in the mix. Add you some of that Southern Boys low sodium seasoning and put it in the mix. Now you gotta mix that stuffing up. That is a Boudin cream cheese bacon mixture, y'all. There is nothing better. Get ready. You can use this mix in jalapeno poppers and, of course, in your stuffed gators. It's really versatile.